Hello adventurers, this is Bhanu Pundir, the trek expert for the Searching Souls. And today I'm talking about why spikes and gaiters are must for your winter trek. When you are venturing outdoors, whether it's for hiking or climbing, it's important to have the right gear to support you. Among the essential pieces of gear are spikes and gaiters. When specifically you are on a snow hike, there is a little or almost no friction on the trail, which can lead to a minor or very major accident. Also, when the snow is deep, it can enter your shoes and can make it wet from inside. Now, this is where the use of spikes and gaiters comes into picture. Let's break down what they are and why they are so important for your outdoor adventures. Let me explain about the spikes first. The spikes are an attachment which can be attached to a snow boot or a trekking shoe. Having a snow boot or trekking shoe is must to use this equipment, as it is not usable on sports shoe or sneakers. Spikes are specialized attachment that are worn on your shoes to provide extra traction and stability. They are typically used for outdoor activities only, like snow hiking, especially in conditions that can make surfaces slippery like hard snow and ice patches. They work by digging into the ground step to step when you are walking, giving you more grip on the challenging surfaces, so you are less likely to slip or lose your footing. The spikes are often made of durable materials like steel or tungsten, designed to withstand harsh environments. So basically these are called traction cleats. On a winter Himalayan trek like Kedarkantha, Dayara Bugyal, Brahmtal or Kuwari Pass, this is a must-have for safe completion. Now let me talk about the gaiters. Gaiters are used to avoid the entry of snow from the top of the shoe. Made from materials like nylon, Gore-Tex or other waterproof fabrics, gaiters are lightweight but incredibly durable. They are adjustable with straps that secure them around your boots and calves. And some even have a hook to attach to your laces for extra security. For this gear, also a waterproof trekking shoe or snow boots is mandatory. Then only a gaiter will work effectively, else the shoe will get wet from inside and front. The Searching Souls provides both of these equipment in all of our winter treks where one has to cross the snow or ice sections. So, overall, spikes and gaiters are often used together, especially in harsh or unpredictable outdoor environments. Now, again, if you are hiking through snow and ice, gaiters will keep the snow out of your boots, while spikes will ensure you don't slip on the icy ground. So, next time you are out on the trail, make sure the organizer provides the spikes and gaiters. They might just make the difference between a great adventure and a slippery struggle.